What's good, people? It's your boy Ketzer back for another vlog, and today we're going to be talking about the sample, loop, plugin resource, SPLICE. Is it any good? Can I make a whole track with SPLICE loops? I think we can. Let's get into it. Right, well, when I opened up my SPLICE app today on my desktop, I saw this Serenade Suite, which is by Soul Surplus, who happen to be one of my favourite loop makers. So let's give it a preview, see what it's like. It already sounds dope. It's the kind of shit I like. Yeah, I don't think I need to hear it anymore. I'm going to get that pack, and we're going to use this pack to try to write a track as quickly as possible and see how easy it is to do. So here we go, downloading that. And as you can see, it's got like 83 samples. I love SPLICE because of their website. You can search for genre, you can search for the types of loops, whatever instrument, vocal, whatever. It's got everything. So here we open up my Ableton. That Serenade Suite right there, that's the top there. So let's go through a few samples. Oh! Yeah, I like the sound of that. Let's just use that. And we can see that this is in G minor. So first thing I do, I put it to complex, get rid of the syncopation. Okay, so it's in G minor, 120 BPM. Let's loop it up. Do a bit of mixing, just adjust the volumes down a bit. Okay, let's have a listen. Chill, I like it. Okay, that's cool. I think with that, I'm going to try and find some keys. Get a nice vintage, chilled, soul kind of sound. It's a bit whiny, a bit dramatic. That's nice. Right, let's use that. We can see this is actually an F minor. So we need to pitch it up ×2. So pitch it up 2 from F minor to G minor because our song is in G minor. Let's give that a listen. Oh, that's a little bit off that first bar. That's in. Get that first bar there. Right, let's try something. Let's shift that down 2. That sounds better. Okay, that's in key now, to my liking. I quite like that to repeat, so let's put that again. Okay, let's do the same with that on the first bar of the second. Okay, that sounds nice, that's flowing nice. Let's look for a bass line, that's good. Nope, that's a bit too synthy. That's quite nice. Let's try that, but of course it's not in the same key. So let's shift this into G minor. At the moment it's D flat minor. So we're going to shift it up. Now that's in key, and now we can just get it all in time. That's what great thing about Ableton is the ease of which you can shift, transpose, change the timings. Okay, I think that sounded a little bit. That little note, I'm gonna shift that. Let's see if I can change that. That's it. I like that. A bit lower. Okay, I think this bass is going. And we see this is all just melody, this pack, so let's find a beat. I've got got some beats here, but they're not really in the same kind of time scale, so they might sound a bit funny. Computer's glitching. There we go. Let's see. See, I've got a lot of samples here. That's not gonna do. It's too. It's not in the right tempo. Let's see. Okay, let's try one of these beats. That's more like it. Alright, let's try that. Okay, so we drag that on. Here we go. I'm gonna put that in complex so it doesn't sound so glitchy. Right, that's good. Just mix it a bit. Okay, so very quickly now, we've got guitar, keys, bass and drums. There's a 16 bar loop right there. Right, let's see what this is. Okay, so that's in G sharp. That's quite nice. Maybe that would work, because we'd have to tune that down a bit. Let's try it. Let's have a little listen. It's good to experiment. Just drag stuff in there. If it's in the same key, or if you can get it to the same key, just try it. You can try loads of different samples from loads of different genres. See, works. Yes. That sounds dope. Yes. Right. So let's do a bit of sequencing. What's that there? Let's have a listen there. Oh, that's nice. That would work. Well, let's bring that in later on in the track. That gives us something to change into after the first 16 bars. We can develop the track. So let's cut out the keys and just have the guitar. And then we'll have the same bass, the drums. There we go. Yeah, let's not start with that. Let's just... okay. Now what I like to do is just cut the drums just before the new drop. I'm gonna move that down because that's in G sharp. Here we go. Beautiful, works. Here we go. Here we go. We have this is a dub and reggae pack. That's a bit too much. This stuff is in, that's in G minor. Let's have a listen. That's nice. That could work. Let's try the guitar. Now that might sound very reggae, but I think that's gonna work. Let's try it. It's not in the right time. It's a bit out of time. We might have to fix that. Right, let's try that. I think I can fix that up. Let's zoom in here. Let's just put this on complex. Get rid of the syncopation. Right. Yeah, you can see that is actually out of time. A bit slack, but great thing again about Ableton, you can just fix this so easy. So you can get your beats sounding so tight. Doesn't matter if samples come from different packs. The timing's out slightly, you can fix it all. There we go. See, it works. If I mix that down, that's going to work. Let's just get it all in time so it sounds crisp. Right, let's get it all sounding crisp. You can see it's a bit out there. Fixed. So I'm just fixing ahead here. See if the beat catches up with me. Let's see if the rest is in time. Okay, let's put some ambience. Let's put some reverb. So this is my very small plugin list at the moment, but this is a free reverb plugin called Ambience, which is actually really good, well worth it. So I'm going to put this on my return A track. There we go. And then all I need to do, return A on the track, put that up. There we go. See? Now it's got some reverb on it. Beautiful. Mix it down. It's working. Right, well that's a good 16 bar loop we got there. That guitar went out a little bit at the end. There's the culprit. So let's get that tight. Okay. Now what I want to do is just have a little intro, because it's not going to start like that, is it? So we're just doing this quickly. I'm just going to take a bit from the keys, the end bit of the bar, start it with that. Maybe fade it in a bit. There we go. Just fade in the master track. And I like to have it to about -5 dB. Okay, let's go. Nice. Now that vocal's going to come in. Beautiful. And we can layer this up even more. Let's look for something else. I think I saw a saxophone in G sharp. Yeah. Okay, so let's put this saxophone. Let's try this sax. Tune it down. I'm not even listening to it. I know it's going to work. Here we go. Same key, it's gonna work, mostly. Alright, let's carry on. So let's bring that intro back, but maybe cut out the guitars this time and leave the keys. And then we'll have that sax going. Let's just do a little bit of a edit there. Individualize it. Let's have a listen. Oh, maybe cut out the snares as well and just have the kicks. It's so easy to edit samples. Nice. I think we're nearly done, guys. This is like a demo of how easy it is to write a track. You know, if you have like different samples and different sample packs, different producers making them, different musicians, bringing them all together, it's beautiful. It's an art form in itself. Wow. So we've been working for about 12, 13 minutes, and that is what we have come up with, which is pretty much a track. I can extend that a little bit, maybe bring in a few more things, maybe change the bass, change the drums. But anyway, maybe about another 15 minutes work, and that's a track. And then have to remember that all of these samples are royalty free, so you can use them in commercial projects. Like this sample pack came out very, very recently, possibly even today, and I've already written a track from it. I could release it tomorrow if I wanted to, and I could get it published, and I could start collecting from it. You know, it's really, really easy these days. And if you know what you're doing, if you have even just a little bit of basic knowledge, theory of musical theory, and just keys, minor and major, and obviously there's actually, you know, some majors that go with minors, the most famous case being A minor and C major. Things in those keys go together. So you can learn all of these things, learn the keyboard, the scales from C, the octaves, you know, and you can transpose and put all of these things together. And it's really, once you get the hang of it, it's great fun. And it's actually a way of writing music very quickly. It's a way of creating inspiration when you don't have any sometimes, and it's good fun. And you know, this is how you can build up a large library that you can start licensing even from your own website, you know. So I'm going to do more of these tutorials, show you more tricks, different genres, all of these things. So I hope you enjoy this, hope you found this really useful. It's been fun to do, I have to say, and I will check you all in the next one. If you like it, share, like, subscribe, do all that juicy stuff. Check you soon. Peace.